Protecting your home shouldn't be complicated, expensive, or stressful. That's why the SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system is designed to make real home protection easy for everyone. This system is incredibly simple to set up. Just plug in the base station, download the SimpliSafe app, place the wireless sensors, and your home is protected. There's no wiring, no drilling, and no professional installation required. SimpliSafe offers optional 24/7 professional monitoring with a free first month included. Trained agents watch over your home even when you can't and can quickly alert emergency responders when needed. There are no long-term contracts, no hidden fees, and plans start at less than $1 per day. With the SimpliSafe app, you have full control anytime and anywhere. You can arm or disarm your system, check alerts, and manage your home security right from your phone. The entry sensors protect doors, windows, and cabinets, instantly alerting you if someone tries to enter. Motion sensors provide full room coverage, detecting movement up to 35 feet away while ignoring pets under 60 pounds. For emergencies, the panic button lets you instantly trigger the alarm and request help, with a silent option for discrete situations when professional monitoring is enabled. The system is built for reliability. The base station includes a powerful siren, a backup battery lasting up to 24 hours, and cellular backup to keep you protected even during power or Wi-Fi outages. The SimpliSafe keypad is wireless, easy to use, and can be placed anywhere in your home. SimpliSafe also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to control with your voice. Designed to blend into any home, SimpliSafe delivers strong protection without clutter. If you want reliable, contract-free home security that's easy to use and built for real-life situations, SimpliSafe is a smart choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability.